Hello, welcome to this week's lesson plan on the Battle of Gettysburg. This video will serve as your guide through the entire week of assignments and the website that is associated with this class. The learning objectives. As a student in this class, by the end of the semester, you will be able to read and understand primary and secondary sources. You'll be able to analyze information and construct cause and effect relationships, and you'll be able to write persuasively and with an effective manner. The resources you'll be using this semester will be the mandatory video quiz, a list of primary and secondary sources, both books and newspaper articles, and supplemental videos that will serve to enhance the traditional lecture. The class format. Each week, primary and secondary sources will be assigned for reading. Before the first meeting of the week, there will be a video quiz that will be posted by Sunday, and you'll be required to take that before the start time of the class. Before the second meeting of the week, your students will be required to create a list of questions and topics stemming from your reading list and that we will discuss in class. And then each Friday this semester there will be an in-class writing assignment that is based on the current week's reading materials and a video quiz. As you can see here, your entire week is broken down in a day-by-day format. On Sunday, before the class time, you need to take that online video quiz, which will be graded. That will count towards your participation grade at the end of the semester. On Monday, we will have in-class group discussion and analysis of the video quiz. On Tuesday, your homework assignment will be to read the primary and secondary source material while creating a list of questions for in-class discussion. And then on Wednesday, we will discuss those primary and secondary sources. Friday, you will be required to write an in-class essay analyzing the week's topic based on your primary and secondary sources and that video quiz. Now, on to the website that will house your class. As you can see here, this is the main page. This video is located right here in the center of the page, and each week it will be different based on the class that we are teaching. The next tab will be the class format, as I described in the video already. That's where you can see this information is listed here. So if you do forget, you will be able to go back and instead of rewatching the video, it's posted right there for you to see. Under the study guide tab, there is going to be a video describing the analytical process that I want you to think about when you're writing your essay and when you're reading your assignments. Then under the video quiz tab, as you can see, the video will be here. You'll be required to log into the class and take your quiz. Here is our book list that houses all the books that are required for this week of the semester, and each week it'll be tailored to the individual reading that is required. Same goes for the newspaper articles and ebooks. The list, there are several books that are available online for you to use free of charge. As example, this Gettysburg, the Pivotal Battle. That is a primary source written by the captain who fought in the Battle of Gettysburg for the Union side. There's also a video, the book right here, Torn Families. This one is also available online, but I do believe that only portions of the book are available for free. The grading rubric for the essay is also on here under one of these tabs. You'll be able to go on here and see exactly what is required of you to write your essay, and this is how I will judge your essays. The supplemental videos are also here. They're listed with a description of each video, where they're from, when they're published, all the information necessary. And if you click on the View tab, it'll take you right to the website that houses the video. And if you have any questions that need to contact me, please feel free to input your questions at the end in this final tab here, your name, your email address, and then pose your question, and I'll get back to you. Also, if you look to the left, we have a weekly poll. Now, this week's poll is based on the Battle of Gettysburg, and was invading the North necessary for Robert E. Lee and the Confederacy, yes or no? And please give me a quick answer on why you think yes or no. That will be required to be done the Sunday before the class starts. And then on Thursday, after we've done all of our reading and our class analysis, I'd like you to go back and answer that question again, and maybe this time your opinion will have changed or your ideas will have changed based on that analysis. So if you can do that, that would be fantastic.